Hello, I'm Aaro. This is my second assignment to the CS50 web course, and it's called project2 Wiki, project1 Wiki. Now, firstly, this is the main page. Here are all the pages uh, in the wiki, and these are all clickable. They give the according page, and as you can see from here, just typing in /wiki/ page name such as HTML, it gives us the page. Now, if we hit create new page, it gives us this form. You can create entries using Markdown. Let's say this hello, and the down is something like hi. And then we save it, gives us that page. Because we used Markdown, this means it's like really big text. And now, if we create a page called hello again, let's see. It tells us that this page already exists, so that we can like overwrite existing pages. I don't know, to HTML. Because the page HTML already exists, so you can't create it. And it's accessible from the main page now, because yeah. Now, we would go to this hello page that we just created and press edit this page. We can now edit. Let's say we want to say who are, and so this is how you edit. Now, there's also the search function. You can search for something like CSS, and it gives us the page for that, because a page with this exact query exists. Now we can also CS50. But if we just type in CS, it gives us CS50 and CSS, because the CS is in both of them. Also, I thought Python comes up because Python is a substring of Python. Now we have this random page button. If we press it, it gives us a random page. This is our hello page. If we just press it, it always gives us a random page. Yeah, I think that was all. Thank you for watching, and bye.